Hey there, just a quick vid to show you how to make one of these evap air coolers. Super simple PVC frame, standard box fan, under the bed plastic tote with a board, and a little pump. That's it, and some shower curtain rings. Thought I'd try those, it works perfect. Just add the water, drop in the frame, drop the wood on, and put the fan on. Alright, now I'm going to cut the pieces down for the feet. Okay, then install the T. This one's got the threads. Drop a little plastic connector in there. And this hose just slides on. And that suction cups down. And that's it. Okay, so draw a straight line across. Now let's cut and hang the pad. Then just kind of pull the pad up so it's real tight under there. Yeah, that's going to work good. Check that out. Alright, there it is. Okay, we'll go ahead and plug it in. If you look close, you can see the water streams right there. That's perfect. They're streaming right into the pad. Nice and even all the way down. It's working great. Got the water in there. Pump's going nice and smooth. Got about 3.5, maybe 4 gallons of water in there. Couldn't be working better. It's working perfect. This room's already getting cold. People want to know how fast the room cools down. How about 2 minutes? This thing's only been on like 2 minutes. on medium, maybe 5 minutes total. Just getting started. We got a 10-degree temperature drop. It's 82 in the house right now. So 72, fans on medium. Feels a lot colder than 72. It's probably going to drop into the 60s pretty quick. 65 degrees, 64.5. If you look carefully, you should be able to see the water flow. The air coming out of there is freezing. I'm actually cold standing in front of the fan, and it's only on low right now. Really not much to it. Just a plastic container, some PVC, the pad, the fan. Got the fan on a board right now, and the pump. That's essentially it. Then when you're done, just unhook the pump and dry it out. Whole trick with these is just don't drill too many holes. 1/1/16 inch hole, about every 1.5 inches on that top pipe is right about what you need.